How to update any graphic cards on Windows. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily update your graphic card drivers on your Windows. No matter how expensive your graphics card is, if it is not up to date, then you cannot unlock its full potential and you won't be able to use all of its worth. So let's see how you can update it to its latest version. The first thing you need to do is check your graphics card's update on your device manager. So the first thing you need to do is open up your search bar and search for device manager. Hit enter, and once you open up your device manager, you are just going to go ahead and click on display adapters and open it up. So if you have external graphics card that is not of Intel, it will show up right here. Like if you have AMD graphic card or Nvidia's graphic card, it will also show up here. I don't have that. I have this Intel's integrated graphic card. So to check update, you can right click on it to update the driver, or you can just click on it, select it, and then click on this option right here to update driver. You can search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then that means you can check its version. So double click on it to head over to its properties, head over to driver, and you will see the driver date right here. So this is quite old, so if you want to install a newer version, you can just go ahead and open up the web browser here, and I'm going to show you guys a few links. So here, if you have a Intel graphic card, you'll have to go to this link. I will provide this on the description, and you can just download your latest version of graphic card from here. If you have AMD's graphic card, you can go ahead and download it from here, and if you have Nvidia's graphic card, you can go ahead and download it via Java. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. All of these links will be available on the description, and I'll see you guys on the next one.